Hi Coach, my name is Olivia, and in this video, we will be reviewing what your coaching program sign-up page looks like in CoachVantage. To get to a coaching program sign-up page, go to your One-on-One Programs tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on a program where you'd like to review the sign-up page. On the One-on-One Coaching Programs page, go to the program and then click View Sign-up Page URL link. This page is what your client will see upon signing up for this specific program. In this example, a client would see your profile picture, name, social media links, about section, program information or the event description. I also included a YouTube video. A client would also see the program structure and lastly, be able to sign up for your program here. In this example, let's say my client name is Sarah Smith. I will insert my first and last name, email address, and then select Next. If you've included an intake form as part of your program sign-up, this is when the intake form will populate. Then the client will select Next when ready. When creating a program sign-up page, you have the option to either include or not include a contract. In this example, a contract was included upon signing up for a program. As a client, I would click Signature and sign my name here, pressing Save when completed, and also filling out the date, pressing Next when I'm ready to continue. Lastly, I would be sure to select my time zone and find a time on the calendar to meet with you, my coach, and then selecting Next. That's it. As a client, I have successfully signed up for your coaching program. This is the confirmation page. Please remember that as a coach, you also have the option to set up a redirect page so that after a client signs up for one of your programs, they will see this page and then be redirected to the page of your choice, including to your website, a social media page, etc. Please note that in order to edit any of the elements on the booking sign-up page, you can simply click the One-on-One Programs tab on the left menu and then select the program you would like to edit by clicking the three-dot menu and then selecting the program you would like to edit. From this window, it is easy to edit the program information, fees, branding, etc. Thank you so much for watching this video on what your coaching program sign-up page looks like. We'll see you soon. Happy coaching!